Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to see member list in Discord server. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop open up the Discord, or else you can also follow the same procedure if you are using the Discord mobile application. Now once you open up the Discord, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now to see the members on the server, first of all open up the server on your desktop. You open up, if your member list is not hidden, then all the members on your server will be shown on this section at the right hand side of this interface. Since the member list is hidden, to unhide that, head over to the top section of this interface. There you will get a few icons such as notification settings icon or pin message icon, and near that you will get this icon as show member list. So click on that icon, and as you click on that, all your member list on this server will be loaded right here on the right hand side of this interface. And that's how you can see the member list in a Discord server. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.